Welcome to the Foxy Quiz. Test your knowledge and use mistakes as learning opportunities. On today's anatomy quiz, bones of the human body. Your challenge starts now.
Question 1. What is the medical term for the thigh bone? Your choice? A, B, C, or D? Answer: C, femur. Question 2. What is the medical term for the collarbone? Which option is correct? A, B, C, or D? Answer: C, clavicle. Question 3. What is the medical term for the kneecap? A, patella, B, radius, C, ulna, D, fibula. Answer: A, patella. Question 4. What is the medical term for the shoulder blade? What's your choice? Answer: C, scapula. Question 5. What is the medical term for the shin bone? Your choice? A, B, C, or D? Answer: C, tibia. Question 6. What is the medical term for the upper arm bone? Which one would you choose? A, B, C, or D? Answer: B, humerus. Question 7. What is the medical term for the tailbone? Your decision? A, B, C, or D? Answer: A, coccyx. Question 8. What is the medical term for the hip bone? A, humerus, B, femur, C, pelvis, D, tibia. Answer: C, pelvis. Question 9. What is the medical term for the lower jawbone? Which option do you think is correct? Answer: B, mandible. Question 10. What is the medical term for the bone in the upper leg? Your choice? A, B, C, or D? Answer: B, femur. Question 11. What is the medical term for the bone in the forearm on the thumb side? What's your choice? A, B, C, or D? Answer: A, radius. Question 12. What is the medical term for the bone in the forearm on the pinky side? Select your answer: A, B, C, or D? Answer: C, ulna. Question 13. What is the medical term for the small bone in the lower leg next to the tibia? Your decision? A, B, C, or D? Answer: C, fibula. Question 14. What is the medical term for the bone that makes up the lower back? A, coccyx, B, scapula, C, clavicle, D, tibia. Answer: A, coccyx. Question 15. What is the medical term for the bone that makes up the cheek? Which one would you choose? A, maxilla, B, femur, C, pelvis, D, tibia. Answer A. Maxilla. Question 16. What is the medical term for the bone that forms the bridge of the nose? Your selection? A, B, C, or D? Answer C. Vomer. Question 17. What is the medical term for the upper jawbone? A. Maxilla. B. Scapula. C. Clavicle. D. Fibula. Answer A. Maxilla. Question 18. What is the medical term for the bone in the wrist that articulates with the radius? Select your answer. A, B, C, or D. Answer A. Scaphoid. Question 19. What is the medical term for the bone in the neck that supports the tongue? What would you pick? A, B, C, or D? Answer A. Hyoid. Question 20. What is the medical term for the bone in the shoulder that articulates with the clavicle and humerus? A. Scapula. B. Femur. C. Tibia. D. Fibula. Answer A. Scapula. Question 21. What is the medical term for the bone in the forearm that forms the elbow joint with the humerus? Which option do you think is correct? A. Radius. B. Humerus. C. Ulna. D. Tibia. Answer C. Ulna. Question 22. What is the medical term for the bone that forms the forehead? What's your choice? A. Frontal. B. Parietal. C. Occipital. D. Temporal. Answer A. Frontal. Question 23. What is the medical term for the bone that forms the back of the skull? A. Occipital. B. Parietal. C. Temporal. D. Frontal. Answer A. Occipital. Question 24. What is the medical term for the bone in the lower leg that forms the outer ankle? What's your answer? A, B, C, or D? Answer D. Fibula. Question 25. What is the medical term for the bone in the lower leg that forms the inner ankle? Your decision? A, B, C, or D? Answer C. Tibia. Question 26. What is the medical term for the bone in the hand that forms the base of the thumb? Which option would you select? A, B, C, or D? Answer C. Trapezium. Question 27. What is the medical term for the bone in the foot that forms the heel? Your choice? A, B, C, or D? Answer C. Calcaneus. Question 28. What is the medical term for the bone in the middle ear that transmits sound vibrations to the inner ear? Select your answer. A. Malleus. B. Incus. C. Stapes. D. Cochlea. Answer C. Stapes. Question 29. What is the medical term for the bone in the skull that houses the pituitary gland? What would you pick? A. Ethmoid. B. Sphenoid. C. Zygomatic. D. Palatine. Answer: B. Sphenoid. Question 30. What is the medical term for the bone in the foot that forms the inner arch? Your selection: A. Talus, B. Cuboid, C. calcaneus, D. navicular. Answer: D. navicular.
How well did you perform? Tell us in the comments. Feel free to suggest themes for the next quizzes. Until Foxed Quiz.